Note: before the pedal is installed, the fixing screws of the bracket should not be tightened. It's enough to just tighten it by hand. Wait until the position of the pedal is adjusted. After the pedal is fixed, finally, tighten all the fixing screws of the bracket. Hole 1 and hole 2 are the first and the second buckles respectively under the skirt edge. Remove the buckle, insert the curved bolt, and then you can install the bracket. Just insert the rear ear into the protective plate and press it against the vehicle chassis.
After installing the bracket, just fix it slightly and don't lock it tightly.
Hole 1 and hole 2 are the fourth and fifth buckles respectively under the skirt edge. The installation method is the same as that of the front bracket. After the bracket is installed, just fix it slightly. Don't tighten it firmly. Hole 1 and hole 2 are the last buckle and the second to last buckle respectively under the skirt edge. The installation method is the same as that of the front bracket. After the bracket is installed, it should be slightly fixed and it is not allowed to lock it tightly.
松开板面所有的螺丝，放上板面，调整板面距离，拧上支架与板面的衔接的所有螺丝。
Finally, tighten all the screws.